Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to show you how to cook a classic, a chicken madras. But first, pause the video and get all the ingredients ready you need to cook this dish. This dish is going to be so easy to cook. I'm trying out a new method, so you'll see how easy it is. It takes a little bit longer than a normal madras I would cook, but I've made it simple so that you can follow the instructions and you find it so easy to cook and it's so tasty. It's better, I reckon, than your local. So let's get on. I'm listed out all the ingredients here. We have cumin, we have methi leaves, we have onion seeds. Also, always gives a bit of good flavour to chicken. We have cardamom pods, we have cinnamon stick, we have a little bit of aniseed, Star Aniseed that is, and bay leaves. Right, my new method I'm going to do is I'm going to blend all these ingredients together first. So it's going to save all that hassle of kind of breaking the onions down like I usually do. But this way it's going to take a little bit longer than normal as well. So get yourself a blender, quite a powerful blender, and put all the ingredients in and basically make a really smooth paste. If you enjoy watching my videos and cooking my recipes, I don't ask a lot. Please, can you just subscribe to my channel? Because I heard the other day 75% people, they don't subscribe, and it does help the channel to grow. So if you're watching this video now, take that 1 minute or 30 seconds to press that button and subscribe to the channel. Plus you get notified when I release new videos and new recipes, and they're all good. So please subscribe. It helps the channel to grow and get noticed as well. I have never cooked this way before. It's basically blending everything down into a smooth paste. In places like Bangladesh, India, they use the old stone to grind the onions down and so on. But I've always cooked with just sliced onions and let the onions slowly melt. But I've found when cooking this recipe that it takes a little bit longer than I would do if I was cooking my old method. So give it a go and see how easy it is, because all you have to do is just let it simmer and come back to it. Just keep stirring it every now and again. You don't have to give it too much attention. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to just let you follow what I'm doing, and that way you'll see how it's done. It's quite simple, this recipe, and just watch what I'm doing. I haven't put any water in this. It's just basically cooking in its own juices and the oil, and you just keep stirring it every now and again. Just make sure that it doesn't burn on the bottom and that it's cooking very gently. Once you get to this stage, after about 30-40 minutes, we're going to add our chicken. Now we're going to cook the chicken for about 15-20 minutes before we add our spices. Then it's basically another 20 minutes after that, and the curry is ready. So this is how easy this one is. As we stir and cook this chicken in onion sauce, you slowly see the chicken will release all its water. So we're still not going to add any water to this. As you can see, it's released a lot of water now, and we're going to still let it cook, but keep stirring it occasionally. And that's all you have to do, is just follow it gently until it's time to add our spices, which I'll show you a little bit later. After adding the chicken, it's been about 15-20 minutes now. We're going to add our spices. There goes the Kashmiri chili and the hot chili as well, and the turmeric that goes in, and also the paprika. That'll give it a nice rich colour as well, and the coriander powder, and the cumin powder, and some methi leaves. I don't break my methi down, I just put it in whole, and some lemon juice to give a little bit of sourness to the madras. As we know, the madras is a little bit tart. It combats the heat as well, so this is what you have to do. Is now we're going to cook the spices for about 2 or 3 minutes. Right, I'm going to put some Liam Perrin's Worcester sauce. We used to do this in the restaurant. It gives it a different type of flavour, and I can assure you, you will love it. But if you don't like it, don't put it in. But you won't taste the flavour. It just blends it all in together. We're adding the water now, and we're going to bring it to the boil, simmer it for 20 minutes, job done. This is my madras. It's a restaurant style madras in one pot for 4 people. Look at it. Doesn't it look beautiful? I hope you enjoy this madras. Let me know what you think in the comments. So I bid you goodbye until I see you next time.